Jared Polin, FroKnowsPhoto.com, and this is a little bit of a different type of video than I'm used to making, but Apple gave me a call and said, hey, we want to do a dream studio makeover, and I got all excited and was like, for me? You want to do a dream studio makeover for me? And they're like, no. We want to do a dream studio makeover for someone who might be younger, who may not have access to really good gear, but shows some promise, and we want to change their life by helping them get a dream studio. So how did I find the right person for this? Well, I reached out to another photographer friend in Philly who works with a lot of kids. His name is Zamani Feelings. He is awesome. We've worked with him in the past, and he suggested Cam. This kid, Cam, has really incredible work. He's young, he's doing a great job with what he's doing, so I reached out to Cam to see what type of computers he was using and how everything is working, and the funny thing is, he told me that he hasn't been able to do much editing because his computer was out of space completely and he couldn't get anything exported, and I was like, I think we found our perfect candidate for a dream studio makeover. So one of the hardest things to do is how do I get him in here to do a surprise? So I knew that he was a follower of my work and I was like, would you like to get a tour of the studio and that we would mic him up because I wanted to try and turn it into a video so that we could give him some promotion, and that's where we pick this up right now. Now, I'm not telling you what gear Apple supplied us with because I want you to be as surprised as Cam was when I started to show him what was going to be part of the Dream Studio Makeover. So here's us surprising Cam with all of this cool stuff. So tell us what you shoot.
Shoot sports, like basketball mostly right now. Shoot for Donda Academy, Kanye's new basketball team. Mikey Williams, Derek Lively, he's the #1 recruit in the country right now. I'm his videographer, personal videographer, doing a documentary on his high school.
Nice.
So that's mainly what I shoot. Also getting into music videos.
What are you editing on?
A MacBook Pro, a laptop.
A couple years old?
Yeah, 2018 I think.
Is it working or is it bogged down?
My hard drive's filled.
Yeah.
Can't even edit anymore pretty much.
Really?
Yeah.
Which makes it tough when you're doing a documentary.
I haven't started it yet because I can't, every time I try and open up a project, it just crashes.
Can't have that happen.
Same with the music videos, screen just goes crazy and then it's done.
That's not good.
Not good.
Yeah, we just picked up some of these.
It's a MacBook Pro.
Yeah, this is the 14-inch MacBook Pro M1 Max, 2 terabyte, pretty darn powerful.
That's good. Mine's 500 gigabyte.
Oh man. iPhone Pro 13 Max, mini, speaker, and all the accessories that go with it.
That's cool.
And we're giving it to you.
What?
Yeah. You can thank Apple.
You're serious?
Serious. They wanted us to work with a new, creator that's up and coming to give them some help. Someone that needed it.
Thank you so much. What the heck?
Yeah.
Oh my God, I'm gonna cry.
Do you have any lighting? How about this? This does different colors, so that will help you with music videos. This is 24 terabytes. What? So you shouldn't fill up your hard drive anymore. And this is Thunderbolt 3.
Thank you so much. Oh my God.
Yeah.
Wow.
What, do you have a display at home?
No.
I'm not gonna put this up there because it's gonna block us, but I'll show the people at home.
Thank you
so this is a
much.
studio display.
It's amazing. Thank you so much.
It's not me. I mean, it's Apple. They reached out and said, hey.
Thank you, Apple. This is dream come true.
They also wanted one more thing. This is the Mac Studio.
This is amazing. Wow. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
This is crazy.
So this should help, right?
This is gonna make editing so much easier. Wow.
You'll be set for quite a while with all of this setup.
Thank you so much. Oh my God. I can't even believe this is happening right now. This is all mine?
All yours.
Can I hug you, man?
If you want.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
This is incredible. Wow.
I'm glad we could help. Glad Apple reached out. Glad Zamani suggested you. I looked at your work. It's awesome.
Thank you.
Now we want to see what you can create with your room walkthrough, and we'll put that in at the end.
This is amazing. Oh my gosh. I can't even believe this.
All right, man, good luck.
Thank you so much. This is amazing. Wow. I can finally edit the music videos that I've been waiting on. The documentary's coming soon. It's coming. Wow. Look where I'm at. Wow. It's where the magic happens. Dreams come true.
Did anybody else tear up when he said he was about to cry? Because it always gets me when we're able to do something like this. And a big thanks to Apple for thinking of me to be the facilitator of helping get someone a dream studio makeover. And I think Cam is going to do fantastic things with all of this gear. Now, we did have an assignment for him, and the assignment was we need to see a before and after your dream studio makeover. So show us what it was like before you got all this stuff, and then show us what it looks like after you got all this stuff. So here is Cam's dream studio makeover. So how cool was that? I know the first time I saw it, I was like, all we told him to do was to do a before and the after and figure the rest out, and he absolutely did. He shot it, he lit it, he edited it on the new equipment, and that's how it turned out. Once again, I want to thank Apple for reaching out to us to help be the conduit to get someone like Cam a dream studio makeover. And also thank you to Zamani for thinking of Cam and knowing that he was the perfect person for this opportunity. So thank you guys very much for watching. Jared, Polin, FroKnowsPhoto.com. See ya.